Session 13, Anchoring the Scattered Mind. So in today's session, we're going to pay attention to the breath, label the breath, long breath, short breath, and have that breath as an anchor, as something that supports our biological autonomic regulation that grounds and balances us. And then we're going to bring in this element of paying attention to the mental processes, to thoughts as mental events, rather than something that is true just because we think it. We can see that thoughts are like events. When we are busy, our mind functions in a certain way. If our parents are ill, we're going to have thoughts about our parents. If we feel calm and collected, our mind will be calm and collected, and the thoughts might be a little bit easier. But there's a sense that a thought is an event. It's like a bolt of lightning in the sky. When the conditions are there, you get a bolt of lightning. It's transient, it passes, and then we move on to the next thing. And just because we think something, it doesn't mean that it's true. Especially if we have difficult self-critical thoughts. I'm not good enough. Why am I not happy? We can see that these thoughts, they're not true in themselves. They're more of an emergent process that is coming from our life experience. And if we can begin to see this, we can begin to untangle and reduce the reactivity and reduce the amount of investment that we have in certain thought processes. So, in the second stage, bringing awareness to the breath, grounding, anchoring in the belly, in the core. And then in the third stage, once we've established our posture, we're still, we're going to zoom out. Sometimes this is called decentering or witnessing or observing mind, and watching the thoughts arise and pass without having to become involved in them. Just a sense of allowing the thoughts to be as they are. Okay, so let's move into the meditation. Again, this is a 14-minute practice. The first 2.5 minutes will be grounding, and then 8.5 minutes, of breath awareness, and then the remaining 4 minutes will be this just sitting, open awareness, decentering, observing the mind and thoughts as mental events. Okay. Let's start. You can close your eyes. Feeling the contact of your body with the floor, with the ground. With the chair or the cushion. Relaxing your belly. Softening the core of your body. Spine is upright. Shoulders relaxed. How do you feel as you sit here? What's present? How does your body feel? Tired? Hot? Stressed? What emotions are present? How is your mood? Do you feel very reactive? Do you feel peaceful? Stage 2. Feeling the breath in your body. Mouth is closed. Breathing through your nose. Feeling the muscles moving, changing in the abdomen belly area as you breathe. Are you distracted? Check your posture. Spine is upright. Enjoy the breath. Become absorbed in the beauty and the sensations of breathing. Feeling the breath in the core of your body. Are you distracted? Are you lost in thought? Just notice that and come back to feel the breath. Stage 3, letting the breath move into the background. Checking your posture. Sitting still like a mountain. Connecting with the stillness. Notice how you can observe your experience, almost like you're watching clouds moving across the sky. You can observe the pain in your body or the sensations in your body without having to be caught up in those sensations. You can observe the thoughts like clouds in the sky. Mental events that come and go. We don't need to be so invested in the thoughts, so attached. And just observe them and allow them to pass. Check in your posture, sitting upright. Sitting still like a mountain. Just allowing the thoughts to come and go. Bringing your meditation to a close. You can open your eyes. Stretch. Thank you for joining today's practice. It's really possible to observe the thoughts in our minds without being so identified with them. Sometimes people say that the mind is like Velcro for difficult thoughts and like Teflon for the good ones. The good ones where we think well of ourselves don't stick, and the difficult thoughts, we hold on to them very tight. But in our meditation practice, we can kind of zoom out a little bit and just allow the thought to be there, even if it's a difficult thought, without being so caught up in it. And we can notice when we're getting caught up in it. And it's not just a mental process, it's a physical and emotional process where we're getting sort of invested in the thought process, holding, clinging on to it. And in our awareness, we can invite it to let go and just observe it like a cloud moving through the sky. Okay, thank you.